Hello, my friend. Good day. And on the left, there are 3 joysticks, and this one is for low speed and high speed. When you pull back, this is high speed. When you push front, this is low speed. Back. And this middle one, this is go ahead. This is make the machine back. And this is a mechanical fixed speed. When you want to drive the machine out of the container, you must need the machine very low speed and then push it in the front side. This one front, and this means the low speed, and you can drive the machine very slowly. And when you want the machine drive very fast on the road, that means you need high speed. This one. And this pulls it back. I'm sorry, you need to start the machine and then can push it and put it back. This one back, and then that means the very high speed.